Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm welcome to a sparkling beatnik and all-around great human, Kate Sales.
Right, hello everybody. Hello. In June, I run a small nonprofit called the Rhode Island Land Trust Council. And at our annual meeting, we had a silent auction, and we auctioned off an Empire Review created song or sketch for whoever bid the highest. And our dear friend, Sue Anderbaugh, who is here tonight, Councilwoman Ward 3, was determined to win. And so, Sue, this goes out to you and to your soulmate, Captain Ruggles. They were looking for a nice old dog, a calm friend with a few miles. Must be good with cats, they said, that's just our family style. So they stopped on down to the Bullies, used Toyotas here in Warwick. Super dog adoption day, pre-owned pups, how metaphoric. All good dogs should live forever, for this we all agree. All good dogs should live forever, especially Captain Ruggles. That dog, he jumped up into her arms. Captain Morgan was his name. They didn't want him to lose his rank. Captain Ruggles, he became named for the famous transit stop. He came with energy, not quite what they wanted, but he's her soulmate, can't you see? All good dogs should live forever, on this we all agree. All good dogs should live forever, especially Captain Ruggles. He's extroverted and so handsome. He's the mayor of the backyard, campaign manager of Ward 3. He's a shining star. Besides, for death and taxes, there's only one certainty. All good dogs should live forever, especially Captain Ruggles. All good dogs should live forever, on this we all agree. All good dogs should live forever, especially Captain Ruggles. Sing it with us. All good dogs should live forever, on this we all agree. All good dogs should live forever, especially Captain Ruggles. Especially Captain
One more time.
Especially Captain Ruggles.
Kate Sales and the Sparkling Beatniks. Thanks for bidding on that.